I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the AAWP plugin. This powerful tool is designed specifically for Amazon affiliates, helping you showcase products on your WordPress website with ease. It's all about boosting your click-through rates and ultimately, your commissions. A key benefit is its ability to automatically update product information, like prices and availability, ensuring your content is always current and compliant with Amazon's policies. Let's dive into how to get started. Setting up AAWP is a straightforward process. First, download the plugin file from your AAWP account. Next, upload and activate it within your WordPress dashboard, just like any other plugin. You'll then need to verify your license key from the AAWP website to ensure full functionality. The final crucial step is connecting the plugin to your Amazon account by entering your product advertising API keys. This allows AAWP to fetch real-time product data for your site. AAWP leverages powerful shortcodes to display Amazon products dynamically. You can easily insert product boxes, which are visually appealing displays for individual items, or simple text links directly into your content. To showcase popular items, create dynamic bestseller lists using relevant keywords. For side-by-side comparisons, generate comprehensive comparison tables. You can also display specific product data, such as the current price or title, anywhere on your page using data field shortcodes. Beyond the basics, AAWP offers several advanced features to optimize your affiliate efforts. Geo-targeting automatically redirects international visitors to their respective local Amazon stores, maximizing potential commissions. You can also enable click tracking to gain valuable insights into which products and displays perform best. The plugin allows extensive customization of templates and styles, ensuring your product showcases perfectly match your site's design. Plus, all product data, including prices and availability, updates automatically, keeping your content fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.